Well, and I think we should touch on this too, is that how this is a skill that everybody should learn. It's not like you guys are politically motivated to one side or anything like that. Everybody should have this skill regardless of your views or anything like that, right?
Exactly. And we stress it in our class, like the first day of class, the last day of class, middle of class. In the book, we stress it. This is not a partisan issue. And when we provide examples of bullshit, at least in the political arena, we really try hard to provide examples from both. When we do it from media, we try to do it from the left and the right. And actually, a lot of the time, we avoid the political arena because that's such low-hanging fruit. We tend to look in other places where, health misinformation, science misinformation, information that's not just the easy political target. So, but if we do go into that arena, we do try and provide examples from both, because really, this is something we should all want to do, regardless of your views on taxation or regardless of your views on welfare. I mean, we as a democracy want all citizens to be informed. So then as we come to these collective decisions and we have these collective conversations, that we all have the best information. That's what we all want. Because if you disagree with me on tax policy, that's okay. I'm great. I'm happy with that. I definitely want you, when you're making your arguments, to have the best information possible, though, so that we can both get to some common ground. So I think a lot of this is about digital citizenship too, and it's about making sure that we don't attack individuals and that we attack the argument. That we don't, start with an ad hominem attack. That we say, okay, let's see if we can get to a good solution to a question we might have, but we want both to have good information. So it's not a partisan issue at all. We try hard, but it is difficult in a world right now that's, at least in the United States, that's very politically divided.
Yeah, right. So Jevin, can anybody learn this skill, or do you have to be like not a dummy, or what? Do you just need to put the time in?
If there was only one thing we talked about today, Travis, and already you've hit on a lot of great questions and things that we care a lot about, but absolutely anyone can do this. So if anything, I think the book should be in a self-help section, because...
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.